Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete image from ChatGPT library. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for ChatGPT, then click on the official website link. Once you're inside ChatGPT, locate the images option from the navigation menu. This section contains your saved conversations and generated images. Open it to view your stored content. Next, identify the image you want to delete. Keep in mind that images are tied to conversations, so you cannot delete a single image directly. Instead, you need to remove the entire conversation containing that image. Go to the sidebar and scroll through your conversations to find the correct one. Click on the three-dot menu next to it and select the delete option. Confirm the action when prompted. After deleting, return to the library and verify that the image has been removed successfully. So that's basically how you can delete image from ChatGPT library. That's it for this video. Thanks.